Isn't it frustrating when your favorite snacks lose their crunch after just one sitting? We've all been there. There's that half-eaten bag of tortilla chips, but once you release the chip clip, you're greeted with an unappetizing soft crunch. Your chips have gone stale, but fret not. We have an ingenious hack that will help you reclaim the lost crunch of your favorite snacks. Behold the power of a hair straightener. Now you might be wondering, how can a hair tool salvage my snack experience? It can, and it does it in seconds. Simply heat up your hair straightener, fold over the top of the snack bag, making sure all air is squeezed out, and run the hair straightener over the fold. Voila! Your chip bag is resealed, locking in freshness for your future snack attacks. So next time you're chowing down on those zesty tortilla chips or chocolate-covered almonds, remember, keep your snacks fresh with this amazing snack saver secret, courtesy of something as simple as your hair straightener. Are you tired of waking up every morning to find your curtains in disarray? Sliding every which way but where you want them to be? The daily redraping ceremony growing old already, isn't it? But wait, don't call in the curtain cavalry just yet. We've got a simple hack right out of your laundry basket. The humble clothespin. Yes, you heard it right. A hidden hero, a clothespin can be your secret weapon to curtain control. Here's how it works. Simply clip a clothespin onto the curtain rod, stopping the unruly slides once and for all. Your drapes will stay perfectly in place without a trace of the clothespins, tucking away discreetly behind your curtain folds. So say goodbye to your sliding curtain caper. Perfectly arranged drapes are just a clothespin away. Ever had the infuriating task of peeling a worn-out label off a used jar, only to be rewarded with a sticky, unpleasant mess? With the soaking secret, we bring to you the solution you never knew you needed. Picture this, a jar, your arch nemesis for the day, submerged in a bowl of hot water, sending tendrils of steam into the air. As seconds tick by, the stubborn glue begins to soften, eventually freeing the label that now floats ever so gently on the water surface. But what's this? A sparkling clean jar devoid of any adhesive residue left behind, a feat of effortless chemistry and a touch of patience. Stay tuned to learn more about the magic of hot water and the art of hassle-free label removal. Tired of fighting with tangled headphone wires every time your favorite tune comes on? Stand by, folks, because we're about to change your life. Introducing a cool new DIY project, Tangle-Free Tunes. Now you can say goodbye to messy wires and transform an ordinary clothes hanger into a stylish and functional headphone holder. Imagine, no more time wasted unraveling your headphones, just pure, unadulterated audio bliss. Start by savoring the satisfaction of busting the chaos of your wires by bending the hanger into an aesthetic, yet practical shape. Each step you take thereafter will echo the symphony of organization you're creating. Your hanger, once a simple tool, is now an artistic expression of organization. A perfect home for your headphones, ready to help you dive into your music at a moment's notice. So let's untangle your daily hustle with this simple DIY headphone holder and let the sweet sound waves roll. Imagine transforming your garden or patio into an enchanting winter wonderland, a mystical space brought to life by the glow of elegant ice lanterns. In this captivating video, we're going to share how you can create these stunning sculptures right at home using just water and flowers. Picture this, delicate petals encapsulated in radiant ice, emanating a soft, whimsical light that paints a serene picture in the heart of winter. Handcrafted by you, these ice lanterns will not only showcase your creativity, but also transform your outdoor space into a realm of beauty. So, gather your favorite flowers and join us on this DIY journey as we make a night under the silent winter skies a lot more charming and romantic with our flower-infused ice lanterns.